You voted Bombers? Yo, you should have voted Rico. Because think about it. Everybody's going to vote Bombers. So if you get Rico and he wins, you win automatically. But if you choose Bombers, you are just a sheep. You are not the true. I don't know where I was going. Oh, we're going. Let's go. Bombers football. And he's going to roll and then split and then take a run because he's kind of boring. And then die for first down because it's kind of boring. How's your day going? Oh, Bombers is probably gonna hit like a mid fold or something boring. Oh, sideline fold, and he almost undered, but Ziggy's him, so it doesn't matter. When's the last time Rico won a playoff game? I want to say never. I don't think he has. I'm not a historian. Oh, yeah, look at the check down the contact. Yo, Ziggy with the pancake. Yo, turn face cam off. Indy, you're a hater. Join for 32 men. Yeah, invite me. When's the last time Dumptink won a playoff game? I don't know. When's the last time you won a playoff game, bud? And it was Bombers. Oh yeah, that's a hit touchdown. I don't even know. Mighty, let's go. Let's go. Bomb dimes. And Conte kicks and makes it. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Alright. I need predictions in here. Get some touchdown music? No. I'm too lazy to. Oh, I have to return this. So they're kind of cooked. Just be like, oh, yeah, actually not so much. Got it bets like the 18 or something. I don't know. Like some mine should kiss. 1,000 likes and I agree. Rangers or Orioles? What? Oh, baseball. Check down there for 12 yards to some guy. I don't know. Football. I have to think about this one. Didn't the Rangers just come back against the Browns today? I don't know. I was at Chili's. Like, I'm not gonna admit it. Rico pressure. He's gonna find like 5 people cloning the midfold, and Solar comes down with it. It's like elite route scheme. If everybody's in the midfold, everybody's wide. Yeah, Rico has a lane. He's not gonna take it though. He's gonna look deep. Oh, that. What? I thought. Okay, I don't know if it's just my camera angle or they just stink. But yeah, second and 15 for Rico. He's gonna do the same exact fold and actually third and 15. Nancats fold ball or sweaty socks? This is a good question. Nancats fold ball is pretty. Oh, yo, he bodied that guy. Solar in route for 22 and a first down because apparently, who's that? Josh. Yeah. You might want to learn how to catch football. Not from me though. I kind of suck at this game. That's why I'm streaming this and not playing in this. Other corner. It's a hit and a touchdown. Let's go. Rico scored a touchdown because the base center on the first drive too. I think the hating has gone too far. I said Thar. That's crazy. I have like a bunch of follows. Yeah, I'm not reading all that. What for Bombers? Yo, did I just get a note? No, it's just the proud music. Oh, he missed a kick. Oh no. And I don't have zoom on. Is it really necessary though? No, but your points. I can't see. I have like stream image on my phone right now. Is Gavin playing? Is Gavin playing? I'm too lazy to check. I know Chris is playing. Bombers is like a solid team. Yeah, Bombers is gonna take that run because he has like all day in the tight end. Conte's just like bowling. Think guy. It's not think guy. Alright, T Dubs. That's like illegal. I don't recommend that. It's not even Conte. Oh, stupid. Fold ball. Not a hit. Bombers. That's Dex. Not. Oh, that's actually Chris. Chris is on the left. Okay, they have the same sleeves. This is going great. I want to know. Yeah, I mean, literally, it was half and half for Bombers and Wugga. I think it was like 92 to like what? Oh shoot! Oh, you almost took that. It was like 92 to like 80, and Wugga had like 92, and then Dime or Q had like 80 something. But Bombers second and 15 mid comeback, and he likes Lucky. Very valid taste. Who saw Dime versus Missouri? Nobody. Ain't nobody watching that. I'm just a hater. Oh, corner? Kona? Nah. Cause bad. Yeah, you heard me. Alright. Can you no, why would you like that? Is that good? You just don't worry about yeah, you actually might be right. Alright. You might be right. Maybe your volume's too loud. Alright, we're back though. You're not seeing the full field. You're seeing that comeback though. For touchdown. Touchdown, yeah. No. No. Was that kick good? Barely. Okay, 90 seconds left in the first quarter. Should have ended 15 minutes ago, but here we are. Kick short. No, it's not. I lied. Alright, resume that a little bit more. Try this out. Rico kind of needs to score. He doesn't need to score, but like he should score. Oh, yo, he avoided that sack. Some dude. Bombers winning by 70. Word. That's all fun and games until like Rico scores his touchdown right here on this. Well, yeah, the Bombers defense is not cooking right now. I'm just gonna say that they've gotten way too many wide open looks. This is just bait for them to get a pick on this very play. Center blocks the MLB and then Rico gets pressured and he lags and he hits it and it's a it's not good. This is embarrassing. And I can't do it. My voice can't go that high anymore. I should update this square, but it's like 14-12 and they're going for two to tie it. Mid round, he got it. We're tied. Not gonna lie, Rico is kind of cooking. Nobody's up. Except. 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 Okay. Bombers, probably gonna take this. Oh no, he's not. He's just gonna overthrow a check down. Lol. LOL. LeMayo. What are you doing? And the Bombers trying to split middle. Can't. Finds the folder. It's wide open. Good catch, man. Oh, that's. Oh, okay, Mighty. Okay. Bro. He's hit. Like, bro, hold up. Look, he got nothing but. Watch this. Absolutely terrible. Oh, yeah. Meme deep. Meme team. Because this game's going to be like a 77-70 game at this point. Like, this doesn't feel like. I will wittily hit the Gwitty if Rico wins this game. Like, that's what it has to take. Which at this point is not that bad of a thing. I think when I'm a commentator, I cannot be biased. I cannot be biased. Yeah, like that fool. That's why. Oh shoot. Oh, it's a burger. Pick it off. You stink. Bias, no balls. Um, you're right. No balls. Tries to find oh, he did. Pattern just missed a swat, and he might do the same exact thing that Mighty just did to them, basically. Oh, Kobe Bryant band. Oh no. Was for it. Every other play's a touchdown, dog. Like, is this a dagger? Oh, it's not. First quarter. At 11:32. Was the spread really? Did Vegas really have it at 27.5? Vegas did not know what they were cooking. Yo, good T. First defensive play I've seen all game. Stephen Curry rocks. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense then. Jake Paul fight. Should I do like? Oh, yo, he's gonna score in this. Watch. Okay, Chris. First down. Let's go. Now Bombers is probably gonna look deep, and he's gonna have that. Oh no, he's just gonna find a midfold because it's wide open. Why not? Catch Mighty. Gonna reopen predictions. I it actually yeah. At this point, like next score, I'll open them again for like 2 minutes or something. Mid comeback. Oh, he loves luck and he loves scoring touchdowns. Oh yeah, I thought maybe he likes also. Streaming, and then it took 15 minutes to start the game. So let's go start this up now. They scored extra points, so it's 28-21. I'm not even gonna bother with just yeah, 2 minutes. Get them in while you can because I'm not doing it again. Alright, good little thingamajiggy. Brain is not braining right now. I need to edit the score. Yeah, I sound like sweaty Caden right there. Rico kind of just walking backwards because that's what you do in Football Fusion. You just walk backwards and alright, so we back now. Rico 3-1. Oh, just a little tiny lobadoodle on a midfield. Is he gonna score this? Dog. Like I don't know what's happening at all. We're to like 170 viewers, so that's cool. Get to 200. I rigged the game. I am 4 people leave the chat. Let's go. Set W Ridge right there. Oh wait, I minimized the tab. Oh, I'm a moron. He hiked it right, left. He hiked it right left. Yeah, you might want to hit midfold. Thank you. Kind of dives, but like at this point, anything that helps your defense is better. Because are we for real right now, gang? So chat. So you see, they're challenging that. It's rather stupid, but all right. Chat, I have terrible news. I did not clip it in time. We are going to have to wait until it leaks onto the internet or something. Wave check Alden. No. Aciers, what the heck, man? Mods. Eradicate his entire family line. Alright, we have a delay of game. That means this is taking a while. I will be the first to let you know what the call is on the field because actually I'm lying. I won't because they will. But I'll be the first to. I'll be lurking this chat. Sorry, Elijah. Upset of the season? No, that would be. There was like some stupid thing that happened. I'm lying. This probably would be because people think Rico bad. Yeah, no, my camera is pretty bad. I have the built-in webcam. I may invest in. They called that no way. Ain't no way. I don't know what it was. I don't know what the call was, but apparently it was Angle. So Rico cooking right now. I was not really paying attention to that if that was Angle or not, but they could just be lying, and then refs are probably watching the stream because they are elite LFG viewers. Rico lagging throws a check down. Oh yeah, the mighty. I said oh yeah like 4 times. I'm not the Kool-Aid man. I did 28 somehow. Rico looking deep. He's like a 5 yard burn, and he hits it for a So yeah, did he miss the kick or like did he miss the ball and make the kick? The defense is optional today because I don't know. Dex takes it back to like the 23. Yay! Alright, can Bombers tied up slash take the lead? The answer's probably yes because like I don't think other than that, there's been no stops other than the one angle call. That was the only turnover. Is Astro's a good boyfriend? One of my best ones. Sideline comeback to, I think that's Chris. Yep, cool, 28. Just outside of field goal range, but it's not like it matters because like this game is gonna go into tomorrow for real time zone people. Chris is gonna catch it. Is he gonna get the mix? Probably. Oh no, he's not. Red zone. Alright, boyfriends I have. Too many to count on two hands. I have to use my toes. I'm like a nice guy. It would be a shame if I wasn't. Missed little bubble. That's not bubble. Screen. Oh yeah, Noah. Let's go. I probably shouldn't have called you. Actually, I don't care. Get dogs, bro. Chris is for real hooping too. Like, yeah, that just scored too right there. On the inbound side of the game for like the next 4 seconds. Because God bless, I played 57, 52. I look like I would drive a drunk girl home in college and help her to her dorm. Maybe. And the kick is blocked, so like we're tied. Alright. Question. How many more touchdowns will be scored this half? Because the answer is probably 2. Oh, it'd be a really good Chick-fil-A play, bro. The wildest one gets my grandkids. Yo, he should have. What? Is that not a sack? What? Dog, he literally ate him. He gained 250 pounds because he ate Rico, and he only grew by like 4 feet. Oh, that's a hit. No, it's not. Ziggy owns your franchise. I lied. I'm spread. Oh yeah, it's probably Angle. Wait, he swerved. Please don't. Please don't. Thank goodness, bro. Thank goodness, bro. Thank goodness, bro. They're switching out their defensive players. Did they go 1-7? I think they might have. Oh no, it's MLB Blitz. I'm stupid. Check down to Ziggy and Solar, like Superman's his way in there, like in front of my face. Tied game, like 80 seconds left in the half. Bombers looking to take the lead in a defenseless game. Like it took until now to get a pick, but even then, it's just been bad tackling too. This flips up the 1 minute warning no matter what, so I mean, just get the short yardage. Make me the coach. We kind of need this to go faster. Check down the midfold, check down thing. Caught, 40 seconds running clock, so Bombers is most likely going to try and have the last say in this. I forgot who returned takeoff because it, like, the game has just moved so slow, but fast at the same time. I don't know. A bit overled there. I mean, trying to stay in bounds. Oh, yo, he got jumped. O-line got jumped. Conte got jumped by some dude. I don't care to read his name. Check down the Dex. Dex is probably going to die forward to get like 10. Timeout by Bombers. 13 seconds left. At the 30. 13 seconds. Is he Patrick Mahomes or is he Bombers? Chat, let me know. Because he is about to throw mid comeback. Diving, timeout, no timeout, timeout, 5 seconds. Okay, so they might have time for a toss if this won this first play, or they might just mid run and then timeout with a 1. Or just score it. We'll see what happens here. It's a VC play. O-line's sliding left. Lob in the corner, swatted down. This game is not real. This game is not real. Right there is not real. Like, 1 second left. This is not real. Kick is botched, so it's 40 to 34. The most goodest thing the entire game. They finally got like a defensive play, and it's a swat right into Matthews' hands. Is a kick low? Oh, about to say. All right, toss to tie it slash take lead. They have a stack. They sent three. He's not gonna be able to get it off. Oh no, he is. What? It's a dime. No, it's not. Well, yeah, actually, it's not that bad. Swat it up, and it's gonna go out of bounds. Oh my, if they went back to back on swats, caught for touchdowns, I might have physically abused this ginormous seal that's behind me for cinematic effect. No garb. Akashi actually holds the rights to Bully, and everybody just died. Actually, just him. They might just smite all right here. Or, yes. I'm blazing. Word. I like donuts. Which is unfortunately not what we have here because we have a very offensive battle and there's a comeback force, but like it works because that TV kind of lost in the sauce. 13. One of the few remaining old heads. There's actually a lot of old heads. I just made that up because it sounded cool. Mid run by Rico and he just gets body slammed by Matthew. Matthew's playing MLB. Matthew missed playoffs by losing to Capital, and then decided to leave. And oh, yo, he jumped too early. He was I don't know why, but that was Matthew trying to be. Yeah, loses to Capital, misses playoffs on 1 and 2 to PD, and Rico's a chance diving out of bounds. He's gonna get 12 or so. Gonna try and tie this off. Some guy just farted in VC. Yo, that's so real. How did you hear it? What mic is he using? Rico. Oh, pump fake into the throw to Solar and it's caught inside the red zone now. 17-yard gain there. Red zone attempt number 1 of the drive. He's gonna get pressured trying to dive forward through Matthew, but can't. Gonna get basically nothing from it. Rolling left is Rico. Making the run, throwing it back end zone, just misses the accuracy there. I would just show the burger, but like I've seen worse this game, just one worse. That was it. It's actually been pretty competent. Like this game may end up being like 97-90. The in jump slant chat. Are they gonna go for it? Oh, they're gonna go for it. That's the in jump slant. Alright, you can see the field now. Call timeout because they are absolutely flabbergasted. Zogs wins the ring in Lego Soccer, and then he comes into this chat. I need to give him the ring roll because he has a ring, respectfully. He is ring. And I always, yeah, I mean, kinda, because considering how this game is like insanely close and stuff. Oh, they try and force it, but Matthew reads it, and there's like no crowd noise because this game is terrible. XS17, that's most useful update added number 0. Yeah, he tries to like pump fake Matthew. Matthew is not buying it because he knows ball. And now Bombers for the first 2-score lead of the game on this drive. He's been pretty much good. Check down fold to some guy. I think that's Kobe Bryant guy. Oh yeah, Kobe. 24 yards for Kobe. Yeah, I picked Main Panda to win the championship over Champ. Obviously. Why wouldn't you? Bomber's kind of pressured. I did not see that, and he actually hit it. That's Ziggy, right? Yep, Ziggy for 54 and the red zone trip. Why is the game close? Because Bomber's team doesn't know how to tackle. They're line up for QSO. They're gonna throw it, and he's gonna get tackled for -4. Okay. Angle. It might have been shift, but I don't think it was angle. Respectfully, but I mean it could have been. Anyways, they threw a QSL just in case, so they can't challenge it now. Cry sooner. Underthrow to slant because we can. I'm from the suburbs. I am from the suburbs. Let's go. These suburbs. We're making out the suburbs with this one. Is this gonna turn into a burger battle? It might. Yeah, he tried to run the same exact play that he ran like 4 plays earlier on one of the most versatile players in the league right now. Yeah, this is gonna not. Oh, we got 200. Let's go. I'm happy. This is just not gonna end well at all. Rico running it for space. He's gonna get like 10. Why do I have to read these messages, dog? Rico for chance to tie it slash take the lead. Again, this third quarter is actually taking a longer time because they've actually had to like slow down the pace of play. That's a sideline fold. That wide receiver almost got banned from LFG. We need that Clement. We need prime Clementine right here on this throw for 3rd and 6. Pushing up and then covering. Oh my, yo, is that a hit? Might be under. Yeah, okay, it was under. He almost hit that though. Like I'm not gonna lie. Bro sent that. But yeah, I think Ziggy gets it in there because the wide receiver in the right missed, and the wide receiver from the left couldn't adjust. Oh, VC play. Two Mango Bombs here, 6-6. Bro hit the Gunnar dime. Like, what? Gunnar dime. Let's see it. For the montage. Stink. Oh, is he gonna get the first on that? Oh, just short. Shoulder hit the OB. 2nd and inches. And he fakes the run mid because he can. And he looks deep. Trying to find that. That's a swatted down. Angola. Challenge Angola. Get him suspended. No, not suspended. Eject. No. Yeah, suspended from the game. Try and probably look out corner, but he can't find it, so he's gonna wait for the mid comeback to open up, and he has it, and he throws it, and it's wide open because he can. And the third quarter is somehow almost over after like the first 2 quarters took 10 minutes each. Oh, that's actually a hit. Oh no, it's not. Swatted. My fault, gang. Yo, who's free safety again? I think Falcons free safety. Like this is like second half. He's been cooking. I'm not gonna lie. Rico kind of spikes there. Will this cost him a sack? Probably not, because he just runs around decks for fun. Trying to hit Solar, he does, but it's out of bounds. So it's up at 3rd and 15 with a few to go. Faking mid run. He's spiking a bit, but he's gonna hit that for a touchdown. And ruined everybody's bracket because I'm not sure who would have Rico and look, actually probably like 5 Massachusetts. And it's actually tied still. I'm the commentator. I am jinxing. Oh yeah, my glorious King Clementine. Oh yeah. Bombers, 30 seconds left in the quarter. trying to score for the first time this half because oh, yep, back cut red. Oh, he thinks he's Rico. He actually hit that. Okay. Kind of, I think he earlied. Personally, as a noob, yo, fold to Kobe Bryant fan 24. We got a close game though. Third quarter is gonna end on this play. Bombers loading it deep. It's a hit. Wide receiver. It's actually Chris who missed that. That's kind of sketchy. He did. I don't remember. I have the worst short. That's Chris for the Go ahead. An extra point is Burger extra point chat. Let's go. This game is making me depressed. I cannot lie. This game is detrimental to my mental health. This very last 57 minutes. These kickers need to learn from my goat Juicy Jonathan and Saucy Smith RBLX. They have never missed a kick in their careers. Pressure gonna almost a DE read, but it's not. So Rico's gonna try and score because that's what you kind of do in Football Fusion. If you didn't know, mid check down, I'm going to like burp or something. Okay, we're good. I think it's like 24 or something off that. Rico. Oh, swatted out. Grounding. Grounding. It hit the stands. Grounding. Who? I don't know who. I don't really care who. Because, good. Kinda good lead. I don't know. But good catch to adjust. I'm dropping that IRL. Because I'm as mobile as a fish stick. 3rd and 12. Rico down by 6. Playoff choke allegations. Walk screen. 9 yards. They're going to go for it. Because why would you not? Unless you... Oh, actually, they could kick it. Nope. Oh, wait, why would you kick it? Your kicker sucked this game. Oh, who's the line? Yeah, me neither. I will probably figure that out eventually. 4th and 3. He's looking for all the marbles, but like that was like a burger. So Bombers for real this time. 2-score lead for real this time. Please, please. Yo, the DE jumped on the line, misses the tackle. Sounds about right for this game. I just throwing it back across the Dex, and Dex is just gonna run around, Millie Willy. Solar hits tackle actually, he does. 40% field goal range. To officially make it a 2-score lead, they could just kick a field goal. Checked on the Dex, and they're gonna manage the clock down. It looks like for the most part. Yeah, I know these guys were on pace for like 80, and they're not gonna break 60 at this pace. Each team has scored 1 touchdown this half after like scoring what 6 and 5 the other half. Like 3rd and 3, so a golden chance. Okay, I spoke too soon. Yeah, Chris is gonna get this down to under a minute. Skaters, old head skaters, dog. They're on the corner, and it's off. And why is the crowd noise gone? I don't know, but like it is. X with the pick. And shift lock Moss, baby. Oh, we need epic non-copyright. All right, this better work. Oh yeah, this is terrible. This sounds like I'm going to lose my family line in 3 minutes. But you know, we ball. Rico looking deep. Moonball. Is that a hit chat? Triumphal. This better be. This is terrible. This is terrible. Oh, cake's blocked. Okay, so we're still tied. 2 minutes left. Dog. Epic. No, wait, probably the Oppenheimer music's freaking. Yeah, it is. I was gonna do the freaking song. Kickoff's taken for like a net negative. Actually, this isn't that bad. Okay. Bombers dancing around finds Chris. He's gonna take it, dancing around still, block and then tripped up. He's gonna yell at his blocker. Left is left, right is right. If you stick your hand out and it makes an L, it's a left. It's 46 all. Bombers with the ball. Has some burns, but he's gonna look for that mid fold. Four people crash it. And then the deep's over attacking. He's just throw. Is that? Hold up. Was he in the end zone? Or are we gonna get a challenge? You're not gonna challenge that? Okay. Dog, you're not gonna challenge that? Okay, I would. I would have at least tried it because obviously, and Ziggy with the sideline comeback. I'm pretty sure that was grounding, but it's too late, and like they're gonna. It's 1 minute warning. Rico doesn't want the grounding call because they're gonna get a pick on this very play. Am I right? Am I right? I'm not right. They're gonna. Oh, Ziggy dies out. That will stop the clock. Oh no. Reminding that Rico used a timeout when they were trying to plot a VC play, and then the VC play was the pump fake and then throw it over Matthew, and then which they ran like 4 plays earlier, and then Matthew read it for a pick. Bomber's rolling left. He's gonna find Chris there, and deep dives a tackle for a first down though. It's a tied game, so a kick wins it, but the kicking has not been reliable at all. Bombers, same thing to Chris. Chris has open blocks. He's gonna dive and then get tackled inside the 10. Deep left might like they ran the same thing twice in a row, and they did the same thing the other side. You might want to learn to just play under at that point. Bob's gonna take a mid run for 6, and 21 seconds remain. No timeouts left for Rico. They can kneel it and then kick it if they wish. Looking for a mid run. He is going to take it. He's going to go for the field goal. All right. Well, they're gonna go for it. They might go for it with like 1 second left, and they just run it mid because I don't know if they can stop a run mid. Game-winning attempt here. Well, actually, they call a timeout with 8 seconds left, so this may not be set attempt. Line up to go for it. On 3rd and goal, everyone's blocking, and he dives it in. So that's 6 seconds left. Basic math at this point. You never know. They thought they missed the kick. Do a G spam IRL. This, the quarantine defense was crazy. They gave Rico too much time. Watch. I'm gonna call it now. They're going to, like, the toss. It's gonna get swat up in the air, and then they're gonna catch it, and then they're gonna go for two. Oh, somebody left. Or it was two TMM maybe. 3, 4. Yeah, it was TMM. So they have a wide open gap in the middle. If they can convert on it, and the kick is good. Das. Kick, touchback. Full 6 seconds. They can't have a blocker. Gonna have some elite chips, or they're gonna run an out rack for some space. Save them a few seconds. Teams getting their elite tossers out. So I already said if South Florida wins, I'm hitting the gritty. So, and I cannot hit the gritty. So, I mean, it took me like 2 years to learn how to floss. Probably because I'm like I'm probably as coordinated as like Big Zo. Wait, Big Zo's on Rico's team? Oh yeah.
Sometimes we lose, sometimes we win. Sometimes we try to fit it all in. Sometimes we don't know what's in store. Sometimes we find what we're looking for. Sometimes we're rolling easy and free. Sometimes 1 and 1 makes 3. So much to love along this ride. That's why Nationwide is on your side.
Nationwide Mutual Insurance Company and affiliates, Columbus, Ohio.